What if you could bring a full-scale, industrial-grade garment printing factory right to your desktop? Meet the game changer, the RICOH XTF D430 DTF printer from Texgraph. It's the world's only flatbed roll-to-roll DTF system with an inline powder shaker and oven, all in a compact footprint. This printer gives you vibrant, high-resolution prints at up to 1200 dpi. Your designs pop on any fabric. Cotton, polyester, string bags, and even head caps, you name it. Unlike single-carriage printers that waste time shuttling back and forth for white and color layers, the XTF D430 separates the workload. One dedicated carriage handles your CMYK colors, while the second carriage runs dual white ink channels. Faster print speeds, cleaner layering, and brilliant white underlays that make colors explode on dark garments. Industrial-grade RICOH printheads and automatic wet cap maintenance prevent nozzle clogging. The system features an automatic roll feeder, built-in cutter, and a 7-inch touchscreen for easy control. But the real magic? The integrated powder shaker and oven. It automatically shakes and cures the adhesive powder with a multi-stage heating system. The RICOH XTF D430 is the all-in-one DTF solution for businesses ready to scale up without stepping out. All in line, all in one.
Subscribe to get latest updates about garment decorations and textile printing solutions. You can message us on WhatsApp or visit texgraph.com.